So this time, we will be discussing the addition and subtraction of polynomials. Yan. So reminders, in addition and subtraction of polynomials, we have to add or subtract only the numerical coefficient and just copy the variables or their variables and their exponents. So when we say numerical coefficient, so yan, yung mga numerical coefficient 7, negative 12, negative 5, yan, mga negative 3, so yan, negative 7. So those are examples of numerical coefficient. And of course, the variable, yan, mga any letter which represents any number or a quantity. Yan, variable. So we need to say, ito yung mga variable, sabi, just copy, and of course, their exponent also. And another reminder is, add or subtract only those terms that are similar. When we say similar terms, they are the terms having the same variables and exponents. Yan. So dito, yan, itong A and A, same variable and same exponent. Ang exponent is 1, so similar sila. So dito, B cube. So disregard kung ano numerical coefficient ha. We are referring to the variable and their exponent to identify whether they are similar or dissimilar. So ito, B cube. B cube, similar sila. Though magkaiba yung numerical coefficient nila, but then they are similar. As I mentioned, terms are similar if and only if they have the same variable and of course the exponent. So itong B cube and B cube are similar, and C, they are not similar. It is not similar to B cube kasi they are different. So they have ito ay C, ito ay B. They are representing different quantity. Okay? So hindi mo pwedeng combine itong C. Ito part na yan, itong terms na to. Pero pwede mamaya ito, yung part ng B cube. In the same manner with this, so itong xy squared, itong 4xy squared, and then similar to negative 2xy squared. Yan, doon lang sila similar. Pero itong negative 8xy similar to negative 6xy. Okay? Though they have the same variables, but then itong negative 2xy squared and negative 8xy, they have different exponent. To be specific, yung y. Yan. So meaning to say, hindi sila similar. So we can combine them. Okay? So yan, similar. Balik tayo dito. Similar terms, yun na pwedeng combine. Pwedeng add or subtract depending on the number of signs we will be having. Okay? Next is never or do not add or subtract nor subtract the exponents. So, katulad kanina, ang i-add nyo lang or isusubtract ay yung numerical coefficient. So, dito, hindi kayo mag-a-add or magsusubtract ng exponents. Okay? Hindi yung kapag in-add mo ito, A at saka 12A, magiging A square. It is not part of the rule. Mali ang lalabasan nyo. Okay? Mali. And next, follow the same rule of signs that we have been studied before. So, ano yun? Change muna kung dapat may i-change ang sign. Then, upon changing the sign of those part that we need to change the sign, then we have to see how many signs do we have. Meron ilan ba yun? Isa ba o dalawa? Okay, then kung isa, we will be performing addition. And of course, copy the sign na meron. And then, kung may dalawang signs, we will be performing subtraction, provided kung more than 2 terms yan, combine first those terms that are similar. And saka yung same lang sa isa yung sign lang, magkapalang sign. Combine yung positive group and then negative group. Okay, but again, we can combine only those terms that are similar. Yung pagkakaiba sa polynomials. Okay, example with this. So, perform the indicated operations. So, dito, okay, ang hirap mag-blurred. Wait lang ha. So, dito, 7a plus negative 12a. So, now, I can say, ito ay similar because they have the same variable. And, of course, the exponent. So, we can combine them. Then, so, we don't need to change the sign because ito ay plus. So, meaning the same as negative. So, we don't need to change sign. Now, kung wala na tayong dapat i-change ang sign, let us see how many signs do we have. Is positive, then this is negative, so therefore we will be performing subtraction. And we will be going to subtract only the numerical coefficient. So, 12 minus 7, that is, alin yun? 5. Okay. And just copy the variable A. So then the sign that will be followed is the sign of 12A, which is negative. O, alam niyo na kung bakit yan. Ayan. Sa inyo, negative 5A. So, ito yung nangyari doon. So, this is the answer. Ayan. So, what happened? So, as I've mentioned, just add or subtract only the numerical coefficient. Okay? Since the sign of the answer is negative, so parang ganito lang ginawa dyan, 7 minus 12. And then, just copy the variable A. Ayan. So, tanggal ko muna ito. Baka mababago yung sign. It could be dapat to. Data is 12 minus 7. Para consistent tayo, ha? 12. Subtract the smaller from the bigger one. So, 12 minus 7. So, therefore, we have, so negative nga, 5. And then, ito pinahaba lang, ha? But it is not necessary to show this kind of solution. And then, negative 5 times A is negative 5A. Ayan. So, yun. Ang ini-add lang natin or sinusubtract is the numerical coefficient. Okay? So, again, it is not necessary to show this kind of solution. So, you can do it mentally, this kind of problem. So, yun. The answer is negative 5A. Okay? Tayo doon. Next is, dito naman. Number 2. So, dito, we have to change the sign of this. So, because it is negative or minus, and this is negative, so it tells us the opposite of the number inside the parentheses, which is negative 3b cubed. So, paano ba to? I-copy ko lang ito dito. Just copy this. Negative 5b cubed. So, change the sign. It is now, dahil nga, siya ay bago na siyang positive. So, negative 3b cubed. Ayan. And then, copy lang din to. The same lang din. So, walang mabago. So, still, I have to copy this as negative, yan, 7c. Or minus 7c. Okay. Ayan. Then equals, we have to combine. Okay na, na-change na dati change. We have to combine only those terms that are similar. So in this case, this negative 5b cubed and 3b cubed are similar. So therefore, if we combine them, so dalawa yung sign nila, so we will be performing subtraction this part. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. Just copy the variable and its exponent, of course. Kaya 2b cubed, and just copy the sign of the dominating term, which is negative. Kaya siya ay negative. Okay, dominating siya kasi siya may mataas na o higher absolute value. Ayan, so the answer is negative 2b cubed. Sorry, nalimutan ko. Ito pala, just copy kasi walang tulad yung 7c. So just copy it. So the final answer here is negative, i-write ko lang, negative 2b cubed, then minus 7c. Yan. Okay. Yan, hirap ako din yung camera at saka nagsosolve. Yan. Okay? Look, we just copied the negative 7c because there's no term that we can combine to it because wala siyang katulad. Wala siyang hindi siya similar to any term. Ayan, so just copy it. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, third example. So now, okay, by just observing this, dito ko na isulat, wala na kasi space. Equals, by just observing this number 3, there's no part of this statement that we have to change the sign. Kasi wala tayong nakita minus, negative. Okay, so we have just to observe or we have to determine which terms are similar. Kasi yun lang yung term na ating ko-combine. Okay, itong 4x cubed, sorry, 4x squared, xy squared is similar to negative 2y squared. Yan, similar sila. Kasi same ang variables nila and exponent. Now, tingnan natin. If we combine them, okay? So, 4 and negative 2. Dalawa yung sign nila. So, we will be performing subtraction. Kaya, 4 minus 2, that is, ayun. Wait lang ha. Okay, 2. And then, ano yung, just copy their variables to x. And, of course, the exponent. To xy squared. Then, what sign will be followed? So, 4xy squared saka negative 2xy squared, higher absolute value is yung 4. Kaya siya ay positive. So, no need to write the positive sign. Okay na tayo dito. Dito naman sa, okay, similar din yung negative xy squared. Ito, similar din sila. Ayun ang, ayan. Okay. Ayan, ayun na. And then, of course, negative 6xy. They are similar. Now, negative 6x, just combine on, just ano lang, combine lang. 6 AM na. Nasaan na? Nasaan na? Okay. Ayun, negative 6xy, negative 6xy, then negative 8xy. So, dito, iisa lang yung sign nila. Negative lang yung sign nila. So, we have to add 8 plus 6, that is 14. And, of course, isa lang yung sign nila. Copy their sign. So, negative 14 and copy their variables. Hindi na pantay. Yan. So, negative 14xy. Okay, so wala na tayong nalimutan. Okay, in this case, we can say that this is our answer, final answer. 2xy squared minus 14xy. So, we can interchange naman ito kasi pwedeng, when we say interchanging the orders, but then, if we interchange the order of each term, don't change the sign. So, we can say that it could be the same as with negative 14. O, negative pa rin yung 14xy. And then, yung 2xy squared ay positive. So, plus 2xy squared. Ayan. So, they are the same din, ha? Di pa. Ayun. Ito. The same lang yan. Pansin nyo, nabago yung order nila, but then, the same yung sign. Still negative to, and then ito ay positive. Okay? Okay, tayo doon. Next, number 4. Ilan bang example ito lahat? 6 example. Number 4. Ayan. So, dito, we have to change. There are parts that we need to change the signs. Ito, kasi minus negative yan. Saka ito ay minus. Saka there's a negative sign here. So, therefore, we have to change the sign. So, dito ko na isusulat. Option na, mabagal. Kasi ang hirap mag-solve ng video din. So, I have to copy this. So, again, anyway, you can do it mentally. So, wala tayong problema doon. But in this case, I have to show you a step-by-step procedure for the sake of, as your guide. So, yung negative 3AB is now positive. So, plus 3AB. So, just copy the negative 7AB. And of course, just copy also the 10 and square, ang hirap isulat. Ayan. And of course, yung negative 4, we have to change it to positive. So, plus 4. Okay. Now, we already changed what we need to change. So, we have to observe which terms are similar. So, by just observing this, itong 10, negative 10 squared, and then 10a squared, b squared. Similar sila. So, we can combine. Ilang sign meron? Ito ay, so dalawa. So, positive sa negative. So, we have to subtract. So, 10 minus 10, 0. Kaya ay isusulat ko lang to ha. Isusulat ko 0 yon. Nasaan na? 0. Okay. So 0 a square b squared. Ayan. Then, itong 3ab at saka negative 7ab, so dalawa din yung sign nila, so we have to subtract. So, 7 minus 3 is 4. And we have to copy the dominating part, which is negative 7. So, we have, so negative, I don't know, 7 minus 3 is 4, ab. Ayan. Okay na tayo dito. Okay na tayo dito. So, may natitira na lang. 4. We just copy plus 4. Kasi wala naman tayong i-combine sa 4. So, we just copy 4. Ayan. However, so wala na space dito. Dito na, yan ha, hindi diretso. Okay. However, there is a numerical coefficient of 0 or 0 numerical coefficient. This part kasi considered na 0 na to. Yeah, pinakita ko lang. Okay? Kasi kanina 10 at saka 10, if you subtract, we subtracted them because 2 yung sign nila. Negative, positive. So, 0. So, ibig sabihin, itong part na to is considered na 0 na. Kasi, ito kasi, yung mga yan, i-multiply mo lang yung numerical coefficient doon sa variable. Para bang negative 10 times a squared times b squared. Yun lang yun. Yung ibig sabihin, yung multiplication, yung mga ganyan. Kung magkatikit yung dalawang variable or number at yung variable, we have to multiply them. So, in this case, if you multiply this part, 0 times a squared b squared, it is considered na 0. Parang ang dating makakancel na siya. Ayan. Parang makakancel na siya. Ayaw lang sumulat yung ballpen. Ayan. Kasi 0 na siya eh. 0. I mean, matitira pa. So, therefore, ito, ano na siya, 0 na nga siya. Hindi ko na ipapakita na 0 yun ha. Okay, 0. So, ang natira na lamang is negative 4. A, B, plus 4. Ayan. So, therefore, we have negative 4AB plus 4. Now, pwede rin naman, sometimes kasi mas inuuna yung positive part. Okay? Anyway, the answer is still the same. So, or, okay, lagyan ng or. Baka kasi iba yung pagkasulat yung order. So, pwedeng, we have to change the order. Yung 4 is still positive. Okay? And then, minus 4A B. Okay? O, the same lang din. So, yan. Walang problema. In anyway naman sa addition, subtraction, or addition, changing the order of the addends will not affect the answer. Still the same. However, the sign must not be changed. Yun na, order lamang yung inyong binago. Yung ano lang niya, yung yun, order, kung sinauna na, pangalawa, etc. So, yun. Okay? So, let us proceed on the next example. Ayan. Ito may papayta lang ko sa inyo. Yung kanina kasi, ito, yung 0. So, dito, by the way, we have to change first kasi by just observing it, we have to change this. Kasi we have minus, negative. Ayan. So, I have to rewrite or copy negative 5m cube m. And then, plus m. Ay, malit lang. Hindi ko na sulat yung 5. So, plus, change natin. Plus 5 m cube n. Okay. Now, so we changed already what we need to change. So, we have to perform addition by subtraction depending on how many signs do we have. So, ang sign na nakita ko dito is negative, positive. So, dalawa. So, we will be performing subtraction. So, subtract natin yung numerical coefficient nila. So, 5 minus 5 is 0. Yan. So, walang sign yan. Kasi walang dominating sa kanila. Yung absolute value, na-absolute value yung negative 5m cube and absolute value ng 5m cube is still equal. Both positive. 5m cube. So, yan. So, copy lang yung variable and its exponent. And simply, the answer here is 0. Yan. Hindi pwede man walang ilagay. Dito, nagkataon lang namang hindi na nilagay yung 0 kasi meron pa silang kasamang part. May terms pa. Dito, there's no other terms, so we have to write 0. Pag wala kang sinulat dito, hindi pwede yun. Ang mangyari yan is, there's no answer. Okay? The answer is 0. So, I mean to say, whatever the value of m and n, the answer is 0. Okay? So, yun. Yung sasabi ha, 0 siya. Kasi i-multiply mo lang yung 0. So, doon sa variable na m cube, mm. So, if you observe, para lang silang additive inverse. Okay? Magkaiba lang ng sign. Equal sila, ang absolute value, but yung ano nila is signs are different. So, 0 na yun. Parang additive inverse. Okay? And last, ito, mahaba. Okay. Pag mahaba, hindi dapat tayo mag-worry. So, dito ko nasusulat siya, ang solution. So, we have to change those part that we need to change the sign. Okay. So, dito, meron bang change sign? Ito lang part na to. Ngayon, kasi medyo nahaba na yung oras niya. So, ito lang, ipa-change ko lang ha. Ito na lang. So, plus 3 PK. Ayan, passive na siya ha. So, dito, okay. Halin ang pwedeng combine. Those terms are similar. So, ito, okay, negative 2pk, 3pk, ito na, positive din. So, wala na. Wala na ibang may pk. Okay, so, negative 2pk, 3pk, dalawa yung sign nila, so we have to subtract. Kaya, subtract natin 3 times 2, that is 1. At pag 1, pwede lang, no need to write na. And ang sign niya is positive kasi dominating yung absolute value ng 3pk. Dominating meaning higher yung absolute value niya ha. Okay na tayo dito. No need to write yung 1. Pag negative siya, edi negative. Ang lagi yung sign na negative. Meaning negative 1. Okay, so next one is ito. Negative 7p squared. Okay, meron ba? Okay, meron siya. So, ang sign nila ay iisa lang. So, we will be add them. So, 7 plus 7, that is 14. And, yung sign nila, kukopya natin. So, that's why, negative 14 PK. Ayan. So, okay na. May natitira pa ba? May natitira pang negative 1. So, just copy negative 1. Kasi wala namang ibang term, constant term dito eh. So, we just copy. So, therefore, the answer is PK minus 14 PK minus 1. Ito yun. Yan. Or, pwedeng, sabi ko nga, depende, ang arrangement ninyo, ba pwedeng nauna itong negative 14 PK, basta as long as na siya is negative. And then, sinunod mo yung PK, which is positive dapat, o plus PK, and then, minus 1. O, pwede rin yan. Okay, alin man dyan kasi, or, so nauna yung negative 1, so pwedeng negative 1, and then, plus PK, positive yung PK, and then, negative is still pa rin yung 14 PK. Ayan, they are the same, may isa lang yan. Kahit anong ilagay mong value ng PNK, isang sagot nila kasi yung addition property, changing the order of the addends does not affect the answer. So yan, pare-pareho yung tatlo na yan. Kahit pa nga, ang nauna mo naman ay negative 1 followed by negative 14 PK plus PK, pareho lang din yan. So yun yung addition and subtraction of polynomials. Let us review. Let us go back with how I solve this. Sabi dito again, never add, ano siya na? Ano siya? Medyo blurred. Okay, don't add or subtract the exponent. Wala akong ini-add or sinubtract ng exponent. Tandaan nyo na, yon. Yun lang yung important feature. Kasi common error nyo, mga common error natin dyan, laging ini-add ang exponent. Kasi add ang variable, ang i-add nyo lang yung numerical coefficient. Ito lang, or susubtract yung numerical. We will do nothing on the variable and its exponent, but just copy it. Okay? So, yan lang yon. Masyado nang mahaba itong video. Okay, so yun ang addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay? So, good day.